Assalamu Alaikum. Are you a Muslim entrepreneur struggling to sell your knowledge online? Maybe you've created courses, coaching programs, or consulting offers, but your inbox is empty. No clients, no sales, and posting content every day is exhausting. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a selling system that works on autopilot, so you can attract clients without chasing them in a way that is completely halal and ethical. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your business to get clients on repeat without relying on random posts, luck, or referrals. Before we dive in, click subscribe if you want more strategies to scale your knowledge business the halal way. Let's start by talking about why most Muslim entrepreneurs struggle. The problem isn't your skill or knowledge, it's your system. Most people rely on posting content daily and hoping for clients. Others rely on random DMs or referrals. This creates inconsistent leads, inconsistent income, and a lot of stress. I want to share a story. One of my clients, Ahmed, is a Muslim coach who had spent months creating a coaching program teaching other Muslim entrepreneurs how to start online courses. Despite his great content, he had only one client in 3 months. He was frustrated, posting daily, trying to DM leads, but nothing worked. Why? Because he didn't have a system to capture leads, nurture them, and convert them automatically. After we built a VSL funnel for him, within 30 days, he went from 1 client to 8 booked calls, and 3 of them converted into paying clients. That's the power of a structured, automated system. The first step to creating your own system is to craft a high converting offer. This step cannot be skipped. Your offer must be crystal clear and focused on the transformation your client gets. Your audience should instantly understand what problem you solve and what result they will achieve. For example, I help Muslim coaches get 5 to 10 clients per month without posting every day. Notice how it focuses on the result, not the features. Ask yourself, what transformation does my client get? What pain points am I solving? How can I communicate this in one clear sentence? Most Muslim entrepreneurs fail here because they try to explain everything their course includes instead of focusing on what the client wants: results, transformation, and ease. Another example, Fatima, a Muslim consultant, wanted to teach small business owners how to sell online. Her first offer was confusing. It included too many modules, too many bonuses, and no clear result. Once we simplified it to one clear promise, get 5 paying clients in 30 days, she started converting clients immediately. Your offer is the foundation. Without clarity here, no funnel or marketing strategy will work. Next, we move to building your automated funnel, specifically a VSL funnel, video sales letter funnel. The funnel typically works like this. Start with a free training, checklist, or quiz. Follow up with a VSL explaining your framework. Then a call to action to book a call or purchase your program. This is what converts cold traffic into paying clients. Let me give you another example. Ibrahim, a Muslim entrepreneur, was struggling with cold leads. After building a VSL funnel, we added a quiz as a lead magnet. He collected 50 leads in the first week. Automated follow-up emails converted 12 of those leads into calls, and 6 became paying clients. His income tripled in 1 month. Now let's break down how to structure a VSL funnel. First, create a lead magnet, something free but valuable like a checklist, mini training, or quiz. Second, your landing page must clearly state the transformation your client will get by watching your free content. Third, your VSL should teach your framework step by step, share stories, proofs, and actionable tips, and end with a call to action to book a call or buy your program. Fourth, set up a follow-up sequence, 3 to 5 automated emails or WhatsApp messages that nurture your leads. Fifth, when leads reach the booking or sales call, they are already warm and ready to invest. Traffic is critical. Without it, even the best funnel won't work. Organic methods like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn work well, but they take time. Paid traffic accelerates results. Even $5 to $10 a day on Facebook or Instagram can start bringing in leads if your funnel is set up correctly. Consistency is key. Your messaging must match your funnel. Your social posts should lead people to your VSL or lead magnet, not just rely on likes or comments. Some of you might be thinking, I don't have a big audience. That's okay. Funnels are designed to convert cold traffic. You don't need 10K followers. You need a clear offer and a proper system. Others may worry, ads are expensive. Start small, test your campaigns and optimize. You'll quickly see results without breaking the bank. Once leads enter your funnel, you need to nurture them automatically. Many Muslim entrepreneurs neglect this step. Use emails or WhatsApp sequences to send reminders, share mini tips, provide case studies and testimonials. This step alone can triple your conversions compared to just posting content and waiting for DMs. Ask yourself, do you have a follow-up system? Comment below yes or no. When it comes to booking calls and closing, remember that your lead is already warm. Structure your call like this. First, qualify the lead. Second, teach a mini framework. Third, present your offer. And fourth, close ethically. You are not tricking anyone. You are helping people solve real problems. This is halal selling. Yusuf, a Muslim consultant, hesitated to sell on calls because he felt salesy. After structuring his call as a teaching session first, he booked 5 clients in 1 week without feeling pushy. Now I want you to reflect. Which step do you struggle with most in your business? The offer, the funnel, traffic, nurture, or closing? Drop your answer in the comments. I will reply personally. Pausing to reflect and write it down helps your mind internalize these steps. Muslim entrepreneurs, remember this, success comes from systems, not hustle. You don't need to post every day or rely on luck. Build your high converting offer, create a VSL funnel, drive traffic, nurture leads automatically, and book calls ethically. If you want a step-by-step template for this selling system, click the link in the description to watch my free VSL training. I'll show you exactly how to set it up and start getting clients on autopilot. Implement these steps today and within weeks you'll notice a change. Fewer stressful posts, more booked calls, and consistent income. Start building your automated client getting system now and let your business work for you, not the other way around. Comment below ready if you're ready to stop chasing clients and start building a system that works for you. You now know how to stop chasing clients, build a system that works 24/7, and grow your knowledge business the halal way. Remember, this isn't just about sales, it's about helping people while creating sustainable halal income.